Hey everyone, welcome back into a tutorial. Are you using the McDonald's app and you want to change the language on it? Well, today I am going to show you step by step process to change that language on a McDonald's app for your better understanding on your language. So let's get started to the video. First of all, open your McDonald's application on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged in that. Now you can see the page of McDonald's. Inside that you can see the different icon are there. On the right side at the down, three dot icon in which is written as a more. Tap on that. Now you can see the different options are there. Inside that you can see a region and language. Tap on that. Now you can select the language from here, but as it's providing as only English language, but if you will change from here, that's like the region, your place and location, then maybe it will change that language. So in this way you can change the language on a McDonald's application. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.